First, we plug in power at the input. This is a single-phase, 220-volt power supply. If possible, we should also connect this ground wire. Then at the output end, we connected UVW 3-phase and connected to a motor. This is the most basic way we can apply. At the same time, we see this frequency displayed on the panel. When we turn this knob, frequency will therefore change, then the maximum frequency follow our usual Chinese settings. Default is 50 Hz. We run now. Click Run. As you can see, it is now an accelerated process. When we adjust this knob, his speed will change. Now, the display reaches 10 Hz. Finally, we see this stop key bit. Click Stop. Good. Above. This is the easiest way to apply this SN200MN VFD.